This is my 2-year-old Australian Shepherd service dog. She is a cardiac alert and psychosis alert dog. She's also ESA and a lot. She's a good girl. She's off leash shielded, off leash trained. She's my little baby girl. She's perfect every way whatsoever, except for she has a little bit of high anxiety, and it just because of mine, and I've had her since a puppy, but whatever. But anyways, like right here, it's a perfect example. She gets a little too far, she notices it, and she still heals. I can go, Stella, free. But she still has that nice, good check-ins. Yes. You going potty on a walk? Thank you. Stella, run. Heel. Heel. She knows she gets two warnings, and then she gets back on the leash. If she doesn't listen by the third time I repeat the command, she goes back on the leash and she has to walk for a while with me. And yeah, but she's very good. If I do a little turn, see how long it takes her. Heel. I was walking this way. Actually, we're gonna say stop. Heel. Come. Good girl. She knows to stop for cars. Or at least I think she does. If I tell her to, she does. Huh. Yeah. Good girl.